My secret to getting stains and dirt off the floor, walls, bathrooms, and more. To start today's tip, we will use 100 milliliters of detergent, being one of the main items for acting against fat. I am using a measuring cup for the exact quantities of products. The second item for use in this tip is baking soda, perfect for cleaning tips for its alkaline effect. Ideally mix whenever you add a new ingredient. We will also use half a cup of alcohol, being a great bactericide and perfect for cleaning. Let's mix again. I'm sure you have never used these items combined. It will bring all the cleaning effect you need. To finish, we will also use vinegar, and the ideal amount is only half a cup. The effervescent effect of vinegar, in contact with baking soda, acts directly on the removal of dirt, and so lowering the foam. We should mix one last time. This mixture acts directly on the removal of all stains and dirt, mainly from the floor. Can apply directly or even put in a bottle and reserve for use only when necessary. You can even increase the amount of products and use in a larger area. Never again did I need to spend money on conventional products sold in markets. Instead, I prepared this simple and so effective tip. With few products, only a small amount is necessary to remove any dirt, and it is necessary to use a broom to scrub and assist in cleaning. If you prefer, we can even let the mixture act for a few minutes. The use of water is also ideal to remove excess product if you use in the yard and for indoor use, or even on your balcony. We can just use a cloth and squeegee for this. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Susan Panagitan from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture in your home. This tip is also perfect for use in your bathroom, perfectly serving for cleaning your bathroom, from the toilet and sinks to even the bath area, floors and walls. Tell me later if you got the desired result for this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.